Okay, so now let us discuss the parts of a circle. So ngayon ko lang madidiscuss to dahil medyo na busy, no? So first, ano po ba yung circle? A circle is a set of all points in a plane which are a given distance r from a given point on the plane. So ang circle po is exactly 360 degrees. Ang isang ikot ng circle is 360. So the fixed point A is called the center of the circle. So ito pong nasa gitna is center ng circle, which is point A. So pwede po natin to pangalanan tong circle nito as point A. Ganyan po magpangalan. Point A ang circle na to. And R is the radius. So ito pong dalawang line is called the radius. Itong line AC, line AB, line AF, and line AG. Basta yung line is tumama sa center at ang endpoints niya is nasa circumference ng circle. That is what you call the radius. So, ang radius natin dito is we have line AB, line AC, line AF, and line AG. So, yan po yung ating mga radius. Next, a chord. Ano po yung chord? A chord of a circle is line segment that has its endpoints on the circle, or a chord is a segment joining 2 points on a circle. So ito pong line na to is nagjo-join sa circle. So ito po yon, line DE. Okay po, yan po yung nag-join sa circle. Yan po yung line na chord. So ang chord po natin dito is line DE. Okay po. Also, ito rin. Itong line FG. Matatawag din natin yan na chord. Next, the diameter. Ano po ba yung diameter? A diameter of a circle is the chord that passes through the center of the circle. Its length is twice as long as a radius. So, yung diameter daw po is a chord that passes through the center. So, ito po yun, yung line FG. Kasi po, kaya siya natawag na diameter kasi po yung line na to is tumama sa center, which is the point A. Kaya matatawag natin na diameter itong line FG. So, ito po yun. Ang diameter din natin is line FG also. Kaya, naging chord din siya. Matatawag din natin yung diameter na chord. Okay po. Next. Ang sabi pala dito, its length is twice the radius. So, kung yung radius natin, kung isa sa measure na to is 4, kunwari, itong AB is 4. Ang twice nyo lang yun, 4 times 2 is 8. So, meaning 8 yung ating diameter. So, kung ito ay 4, ganun lang din. Kung ito ay 4, ganun lang. Itong AG is 4, ganun lang din. Twice. Kung ano yung radius nyo, twice lang yung measure ng diameter. Okay po. Next part is the tangent. So, ano ba yung tangent? A line segment or array that intersects a circle at exactly one point is called a tangent. So, ito po yung line na yon. So, bakit po siya natawag na tangent? Kasi tumama po siya sa circle or nag-intersect po siya sa circle ng 1 point. So, ito po yun. Tumama siya sa circle at ng isang beses. So, ang ating tangent dito is line segment HI. Okay po. Ganyan po magpangalan ng tangent, no? May dalawang arrow. Kasi nasa labas ng circle yung line. Okay po. So, ano ba tong point J ng tangent? So, ano ba ang tawag natin sa point of intersection ng tangent? Ang tawag po natin dito sa point of intersection ng tangent is the point of tangency. Okay po. Ang tawag po natin dyan sa point of intersection ng tangent is the point of tangency. Kung saan yung line is tumama doon sa circumference ng circle. Yung circumference po yung buong ikot ng circle. Okay po. Next, secant. A line or a segment or a ray that intersects a circle at exactly 2 points is called a secant. So, ito po yun. Line KL. Po. So, ang ating secant dito is line segment KL. So kung sa tangent po, malalaman natin na ang isang line or line segment is tangent kapag tumama siya sa circle or nag-intersect siya at exactly 1 point. So dito naman po sa secant or sa secant, itong line segment KL, kaya siya tinawag na secant kasi tumama siya sa circle at exactly 2 points. Kung sa tangent line, 1 point. Sa secant po is 2 points. Okay po. So, ito po yung ating center. Ito yung ating radius. Ito yung ating chord. Ito yung ating diameter. Also chord. Line HI is the tangent line. And ito naman pong line segment KL is the secant line. Okay po. So, ayan po yung parts of a circle. So, next topic is i-discuss ko naman yung chords, arcs, and angle, which is involving minor arc, major arc, central angle, inscribed angle. Thank you for watching.